Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Tjmaxx sandals. I've got them lately on site as they having some big sale, and I've got them online, not in store, so they arrived today. This big box, let's open it. Wow. So like this. So it comes with a receipt. And then first pair. So first pair I've got of sandals are the ones from Born size. Born shoes.com from Tjmaxx. The comfort adjustable sandals, US size 10, European size 42. So box looks really nice and elegant. Ta-da! Wow, very nice. Look guys. Let's see how they look. Oh, nice. I really like them. They are from leather. Let me take out both. Let's see how they look. So they are really nice sandals, as you can see. I got them for $20. They look very comfortable. Let's take out this plastic stuff. So they are really nice sandals. They are made from this nice natural leather, and they are really cute. Only $20, and they also have nice foam. I mean, not foam, it's insert that it's like from natural leather, but inside it's some kind of foam or something. And they have two straps that can be regulated, and they are on Velcro. And this part is not, so this one is more narrow, and they are a little bit narrow fit, so but I hope they fit me. And another looks the same, and they even gave some information. That's this design using old world techniques, hand sewn construction, and soft supple leather sculptured. Made of the world's finest leathers, inconsistencies in the leather texture and color are natural and make each pair unique. So yeah, that's from Born. They are really good quality and great for summer. And the bottom looks like this. pair I've got. Let's show you. These ones are made Interbios naturalmente modos Interbios, and these ones are in size 39. They are made from they are made in Spain, and they are size 8, so I don't know if they will fit because I'm rather bigger size, but I was thinking that maybe they have weird sizing and maybe they fit. They might not. So it looks like this. Let's take them out. So these ones looks like this. We have something like this to protect, which is interesting. And wow, they are really nice. Maybe they fit. So this one looks like this. They are really nice sandals, because they also are made from leather, and normally such sandals cost at least 50 bucks or more, but they were only for 15, and they are made from nice quality leather upper and here also, and also this part is also from leather, and it has some foam, like some soft stuff, and even here it says Interbios with 3 logo. So they are really nice and cute sandals, really nice. And they have velcro here, so they open like this, and it says leather upper, man-made sole, made in Spain. So this is 39, and they are size American size 8. So I would size up in them because they are too small. But I will try them on. Actually, I fit in them, so they're fine. Just a little bit. So they fit, because I've got them because they fit. So next ones and last for this haul are here. Let's open them. This should fit as they are in my size. So this is the same brand, Interbios. So they are natural, kind of natural shoes with natural colors and natural looking materials. So here they are. Wow, nice. They smell nice too. So these ones looking like this. So they are really nice quality also. This one is size 9, which is 40 in Spain. and I like that they are made from leather, and this is really nice color of leather, like natural, like this kind, and they have some kind of heel here, which is fine. I would prefer maybe flat ones, but they were really inexpensive, only $15, and other ones too, so that's why I got them. This belt strap is good because it has some gummy elastic here, so it will be fine. This one is a little narrow, but hope it fit. And here they have Interbios logo of the brand, really nice, and the thing looks like this, and the other looks the same, really nice. This will be maybe for the, how it's called, thumbnail. Okay, I will try them on. Okay, that's it for today unboxing. If you like such videos, then don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.